There's always left of the old cottage, is what you see right here, guys. And just a few floor joists that are rotten and a few pieces of plywood. And Meryl and I are going to try and rip them up today if my hips will hold up. Got the chainsaw to cut up hopefully into the joists into small pieces that are all rotten. Marilyn's got the crowbar. Trying to pry that up. Should hopefully get a little bit done today anyway. This 3.5-4 inch spike really dulled my chain. I had to go up and get the file. Took one load of wood up already. They'll burn up in a pot up there where I know the nails will be contained. After they're burned, I can pick them up with a magnet. But just you can see that. Luckily, it's not too hard a metal, but it didn't hurt didn't break any teeth or anything. Just dulled it. I'll get in the sawdust. Somebody's birthday yesterday. First swim. Arrogant like a teenager.
Fatter, come and see Fatter. Come here, come here. Can't hear you.
Ozzy, what you doing? I didn't come down to the water with you, did you? Is that what's wrong?
Yeah, like you're mad. Whistle.
Come here. Yeah.
Poor little bee.
Come here. Yeah.
No, come here, come here.
Pretty girl. Yeah. That's your bum. That's what you want. Shake down. You want to go back up, do you? You're cold?
Are you coming back down for another load?
beautiful evening. It's not a breeze. There's no flies. None yet since so far. Look at that sunset. And the river is just like a mirror out there, reflecting the clouds. It's amazing. I was just watching a fox over by the bird feeder, picking up some bread that my wife had put, some stale bread we had out. Well, he can't catch it here. There's two hummingbirds fighting over the hummingbird feeder there. And I need to get a better camera so I can zoom into some of this. They're just flitting by. I have to set up the tripod and get it close. Using this GoPro has its advantages, but it's not always great for, maybe good for the odd vlog, but it's not very good for wilderness. You know, just come back last week from the big city of Halifax and up for a couple of days, and I'd lived there for 20 some years and sometimes think I want to be back there. And then there's nights like this, and I wouldn't want to trade this for anything. My old friend here, Ozzy, 13 some years old, trying to get her to see the fox through the window, but she couldn't see it even though it was only about 20 feet away. And try to give her a little bit of excitement today, but I think she's just content. I don't know. And the moon is up there somewhere. Not sure if it's again, not showing. God, I gotta invest in a new camera. But just to share it this evening, and just a couple of minute video. Wow. You won't get this in the city.